LashGo. Hello my angels. My beautiful angels. We've got another unboxing, so let's just get straight into it. I'm excited, yeah! From eBay. Peaks, Spark, Pete's Park, Civic. My tampos do. Tampos on the side. Big wing. Nice little body kit on it. This is from year 2000. Alright guys, that's all there is. That one car. Just a quick one. And to say thank you for all your support and your love. This channel is all about positive energy and good vibes, so keep it up guys. From the bottom of my heart, I thank you very much. Keep the love. I'm LashGo. Just remember, subscribe, hit the bell, comment, and that is all you need to do. Subscribe, comment, hit the bell button, and like. Want to see these thumbs? Alright? Send you my love. And stay awesome. Stay cool. Stay super cool, mate. Thanks for watching, guys. I'm out. Bye.